Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple strength king, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Listen again. Listen, happy New Year. I'm back, you all. Listen, with a Builderall review for 2019. Okay, I told you all last year. Okay, I just got involved with Builderall right at the end of 2018, and I told you all 2019 and beyond, Builderall is how I'm going to be building my online businesses. This is going to be the foundation that I use to build my online business, and you're going to see why. Right? You're going to see why I got so excited about it, and why so many other people are getting excited about this system, and the fact that they just upgraded and added some new enhancements to this thing, and they're still, in the lab working to make it even better than what it already is truly amazing. Okay, so I'm going to give you just a little taste. All right, I'm going to give you an option to click on the link below, www.learnandearnchecks.com. All right, to be able to get a full description. My guy Chad Bartlett is going to break it down even more. Okay, and then also I just want to let you all know that you are going to be able to test drive this thing for 7 days. Okay, you can test drive it for 7 days free of charge. All right, so look, I want you to ride with me. Okay, before I get started, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Do not be one of the ones who contact me later on saying, man, I wish I would have seen your video earlier. Man, I wish I would have took it. Listen, subscribe, click that notification bell. All right, so you're notified anytime I go live. Okay, anytime I drop a video on this channel. All right, I'm a network marketer. I'm in direct sales. I'm in affiliate marketing. I make money online in a nutshell. Okay. I make my money online. I've been doing it now for over 5 years. I fired my boss December 26, 2015, and I haven't had a full-time job since. Okay, so let me let you all take a look. The reason I love this system, y'all, is because Builderall, you actually can sell affiliate products. All right, you can sell affiliate products. You can build your subscriber list for Facebook, because we have a it's kind of like a chat bot. All right, we have an email autoresponder. All right, built in. Okay. We have a website builder. All right, we have a sales funnel, and then you can have e-commerce. All right, there's a lot that goes into this. Okay, they have drag and drop. For us, when you come to building your website, it's super simple. Okay, you go to this drag and drop. I'm not going to go into everything right now. I just want to give you all just a little review real quick. All right, you'll be able to test drive this thing yourself for free for 7 days. Okay, but you go to the drag and drop, and you go ahead and you can create your websites. They already have pre-done funnels and websites for you if you choose. All you have to do is go in and plug in your information. But if you want to get creative like myself, you can go in and you can play with it and make your own. All right, build something phenomenal. All right, we have an app creator for Apple, for Android devices. You can create your own app, ladies and gentlemen. You can create your own app. All right, truly phenomenal. I think it was Kim Kardashian built her own app, man, and she didn't build her own app, but she paid for her own. It's an application on the game, okay, and she's making millions of dollars off of that app. Okay, so that's something that you can look into. All right, the design studio is truly amazing, something you definitely want to go in and play with. You can make your own videos. Like I said, there goes the apps and things of that nature. Guys, you can actually start your own webinars. Like, this system is the one-stop shop. All right, that can't be stopped. Okay, building webinars, landing pages, copywriting, script generations. Listen, it does it all. Okay, let me show you something real quick. Let me take you somewhere. Okay, I don't want this video to be long because I want you all to get in and take action. It's 2019, and like I say, no harm, no foul. You can actually test drive this thing for free. So let's scroll down just a little bit. Okay, that's my guy Chad Bartlett. When you click on the link, you're going to go here. All right, and I want you to go ahead and just press play and listen to him. All right, because he's going to break it down a little bit more. All right, in full detail for you. I want to keep my video short so you can get busy. Okay. But when you do join, you are going to get a free affiliate marketing course, or you're going to get access to our elite mastermind group and unlimited one-to-one mentoring. Okay. The beautiful thing about this, my guy, he's speaking on it right now. Why do we give this much value for free? Well, it's simple. Since Builderall is a two-tier system, we earn money on your commissions. The more money you make, the more we make. All right. That is why we leave nothing that's why we leave nothing out in our 20+ video training course and give one-on-one mentoring to everyone who signs up through us. We will teach you everything. You just have to put in the work. All right, you can't leave that out, y'all. I don't like it when people think they can come in and just not do anything at all. You're gonna have to put in some work, but we're gonna show you exactly what to do. All right, all you have to do is simply follow the instructions, follow the steps, follow the videos, and stay consistent with it. Don't do it one time and think it's over. All right, then okay, I'm not getting any results. I did it. No, you You didn't do it, all right? You're just getting started. You have to continue to work at it, all right? And eventually that hard work is going to pay off, okay? But you earn commissions every month without the extra work once you get to putting in the work, okay? But I want to show you something real quick. When you join the Builderall Affiliate Mastermind team and receive all these bonuses for free, you're going to receive private training courses on promoting Builderall to get $2,000 a month in just 3 months. Weekly private mastermind live streams with Chad and other six-figure earners. You're going to get Facebook advertising for Master Entrepreneurs course worth $497. You're going to get that for free by joining. Okay, you're going to get a pre-made viral funnel that you can use to start making money instantly. Full access to my 7-day email swipes that convert at 30%. All right, private Facebook group for our Builderall Affiliate Mastermind team. Free traffic methods that work. All the tools that Builderall provides, and then full mentorship, training, and support from Chad, which is our leader in this group, and he's also one of the marketing directors now for Builderall. Okay, guys, truly phenomenal. Okay, but let me show you some more. All right, just want to give you. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast for you. Pause, play, rewind. Pause, play, rewind. But as you can see, the excitement. It's hard to not get excited when I talk about Builderall, man, because this system is just truly amazing. And I'm happy it fell in my lap when it did. I wish it would have fell in a little sooner, but I'm happy it fell in my lap when it did, okay? But here's why Builderall converts so well and is the best product to promote as an affiliate. The best products to promote are products that provide a lot of value and are actually a good product. Builderall offers insane amount of value for the price of it. Also, it's a monthly subscription product. So every month a user stays on, your commission will keep rolling in month after month. So what do you get? You get a drag and drop website builder, sales funnel builder, thousands of pre-made templates, thousands, okay? Full email marketing autoresponder, a webinar platform, animation creator, Facebook chatbot app, iPhone and Android app builder, a design studio, a presentation builder, floating video creator, full website hosting, Facebook integration apps, online course builder, social proof app, script generator, conversion proof app, SEO page report tool, unlimited subdomains, and more. All right, the benefits of promoting Builderall is 100% commissions on new sales, so you can break even on your first sale. Learn valuable online marketing skills from our free training and mentoring. Build a sustainable business that can continue to bring in income every month. Get a free car if you get 100 active users signed up. They give you a monthly bonus to lease a car. All right, so once you get 100 active users signed up, they're going to give you a monthly bonus to lease a car. All right. You can do this from anywhere in the world, which is the beautiful thing about this, because we're digital entrepreneurs. We work anywhere we want. All right, and you get access to the most powerful digital marketing software on the market. All right, so I read all that for you. Just a simple fact, all you need to do is go in and click Get Started. Okay, all you need to do is come down here and click here to become an affiliate. Okay, and like I said, you can test drive. You don't have to pay anything right now. You can do it right now. All right, for free, 7 days. Okay, test drive. Now, how much do you think all this costs? Right? What you think about? $300? What about $200? What about $100? What you say? What about at least 75? Right? Guys, $49.95 for everything you need. Listen, everything that this thing has. All right. Most people that are in network marketing, that are in online sales, making money online, they're using so many different other products, all right, to promote their business because they need it. They need the autoresponder, all right? They need a website builder. They need a capture page, okay? They need somewhere to buy the domains, all right? They need a script generator. They need all these different things, and so they're paying for them in different locations to where their bill, their monthly bill, all right, or their overhead is about $250 to $300, all right, to really run a successful business. And you really, really need these things to be successful online. Why not get it in a one-stop shop with Builderall, all right, for only $49.95 a month, all right? And once you bring in a couple of people, it's basically paying for itself, all right? So you get your money back and then some. Like I said, there's 100% commissions. So when you bring someone on, that's $49. You get your money right back, all right? And then you get they pay out monthly at 30% each time they pay their bill. Enough said. Drop mic. What are you waiting for? This is my Builderall review 2019. Listen, there are going to be hundreds of videos coming from me for 2019, so stay tuned, stay plugged in, but most importantly, get started. There's a link below. Click on the link below, www.learnandearnchecks.com, and I'll see y'all on the inside, man. It's your boy